Show of hands, who likes news? Okay, keep those hands up if you also like Fridays. People with your hands up, you're in for a treat. I'm your host, Andrew, and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto news into this playpen ball pit we call headlines. First up, Coinbase and BlackRock have teamed up to give institutional investors greater access to cryptocurrencies. It's a significant partnership since BlackRock is one of the biggest asset management firms in the world. Major BlackRock clients who use the Aladdin investment management platform will be able to get direct access to crypto through a connection to Coinbase Prime. Bitcoin will be initially available, but other digital assets could be rolled out in the future. BlackRock's global head of strategic ecosystem partnerships, Joseph Chalom, said, "Our institutional clients are increasingly interested in gaining exposure to digital asset markets and are focused on how to efficiently manage the operational lifecycle of these assets." Nomad Bridge has announced that it's offering a 10% bounty to white hat hackers who return funds that were stolen in a devastating exploit earlier this week. An estimated $190 million was taken in an attack that has been likened to a free-for-all. The embattled crypto project has said legal action will not be pursued against white hat hackers. Latest figures from Etherscan suggest $22 million has been sent to the official recovery address, but that's still just 11.5% of the total funds that are missing. Research from Chainalysis estimates $2 billion has been stolen in cross-bridge attacks so far this year, representing a not-so-nice 69% of all crypto thefts. Meta's announced that it's rolling out NFT support for 100 countries around the world. International expansion will take digital collectibles to Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and the Americas, but notably it seems that Europe has been omitted from these plans, perhaps a sign that ongoing regulatory scrutiny in the EU might still be an issue. Partnerships have also been struck up with Coinbase and Dapper, meaning Instagram users will be able to connect their wallets. NFTs on 3 blockchains are now supported: Ethereum, Polygon, and Flow. And Meta says there are no fees associated with posting or sharing a digital collectible. This is a significant milestone in bringing crypto collectibles to the masses, and for many who use Instagram, this is probably going to be the first time they come into contact with NFTs. And finally, Block achieved gross profits of $1.47 billion in the second quarter, up 29% year-on-year. Jack Dorsey's crypto-focused payment company, which owns Square and Cash App, says it's continuing to grow despite the market downturn. But it all hasn't been smooth sailing. Revenues related to Bitcoin stood at $1.79 billion, which is 34% less than during the same period a month ago. And out of that, gross profit was $41 million, which was just 2% of the total revenue. In a letter to shareholders, Block said there has been declining consumer demand for Bitcoin in recent months. The results were worse than what analysts had expected, and in pre-market trading on Friday, Block's share price went down 6.7%. Wait a minute, you still have your hand up from earlier? Oh god, I'm sorry. Put that hand down and use it. To navigate to this video's like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. Aside from that arm thing, what'd you think of today's episode? Let us know in the comments below this video, and while you're there, ask Alex in that description below. Alex is a smashing resource for all things Web3 and that unstoppable metaverse that can't exist in the EU, I guess. Anyway, I've been your host, Andrew. These have been your headlines, and ladies and gentlemen, the weekend. See you Monday.